Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a one-way slab design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete one-way slab using working stress method for office use with 2500 mm span and assumed thickness of 100 mm. Design criteria as follows. Strength of concrete 4000 psi, main bars 12 mm bar grade 33, temperature bars 12 mm bar grade 33. The load of 4 inches thick slab is 50 pounds per foot. An office live load is 50 pounds per foot. Floor finish is 20 pounds per foot and partition is 20 pounds per foot for a total load of 140 pounds per foot. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab S4. Length of span 2500 mm, roughly 8 feet 3 inches. Slab thickness 100 mm or 4 inches. Main and temperature bars 12 mm or half-inch diameter bar grade 33. Strength of concrete 4000 psi and total load of 140 psf. Given Fc prime equals 4000 psi, Fs equals 18,000 psi, balance section properties are as follows. N equals 8.044, K equals 0.446, J equals 0.851, and R equals 342. Proceed to flexure and slab thickness. With a total load of 140 pounds per foot and 8 feet 3 inches span, the moment is 14,293.12 inch-pounds. The effective depth is 1.87 inches and a total depth of 3.07 inches. Use 4 inches as minimum. Given M equals 14,293.12, Fs equals 18,000, J equals 0.851, and D equals 2.8. The area of steel is 0.33 square inch, and the spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 7.27 inches. Use 7 inches. The area of steel for temperature bars is 0.096 square inch, and the spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 25 inches. Use 16 inches as maximum spacing. The shear force is 577.5 pounds, and shear stress is 17.19 psi, less than concrete capacity of 69.57 psi. The total circumference of half-inch diameter bar spaced at 7 inches on a foot span is 2.69. The bond stress is 90.1 psi, less than concrete capacity of 500 psi. Design results are as follows. Fc prime equals 4000 psi. Fs equals 18,000 psi. Length of span is 2500 mm. Thickness equals 100 mm. Main bars of grade 33. 12 mm bar at 175 mm on center. Bent up alternate at L/4 plus extra top bars. Temperature bars of grade 33. 12 mm bar at 400 mm on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.